Welcome back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here. So today what we're about to do, man, we're about to learn how to do shading. I mean, you can't really do like shading like you know, with a pencil or crayon, you know, when you can like shade and do things like that. So we're gonna try to shade with yarn, okay? So basically just with a picture that has some colors that look like it's fading into each other. It's probably not going to actually fade into each other, but we're going to basically figure out where to cut off those lines at to put those colors in there so we can get those two colors. So what we're doing today, we're working on this butterfly right here. I got it upside down because I got it on my it fits better on my canvas over there on my burlap. So we have some blues in here. So we got this blue here, we got blue going around there, and then we got some pinks and purples in here. So basically we're drawing it up right now. I drew the outside because I wanted to show you pretty much where we're gonna put those inside lines at to kind of break it off. And as you can see, like I said, you got those colors in there, and I'm also gonna put those black lines in there, but that's not what we're doing today in the video. We are get my marker going. So basically, as you can see, we got these blues going like this here. So there's really no wrong or right way to do it. So pretty much, you know, you just kind of want to, you know, just kind of like just follow those lines, you know, kind of where you want to put that at, and that kind of ends like something like so. So that'd be like a darker blue, and then you got your lighter blue here. Same thing over here. It's a little different with this purple because on here on this video you really can't see the purple, but I can see the purple. So we kind of got like purples kind of going like so. It's kind of going like this here, you know, like that. Then you got your pink up here, then you got your blue right here. So we're gonna go something like so, you know, and that's how you kind of get those colors in there. Yeah, I got to get my blue going more over here, so like so. Boom, we're gonna come down here to the bottom, do the same thing. So we got some blue going like this here, look like, you know, boom, and then it look like it goes like that, and look like there's some purple in there. It look like that purple in here, and then we got something like so. So that's pretty much how we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get the rest of my lines in here, around here. So I'm gonna get the rest of that in there, get those lines in there, and then we're gonna pick colors. So we're gonna try to figure out what colors that kind of go together, and then we're gonna get this butterfly nice and beautiful. All right, so I got my lines in there. So basically, probably what you want to do, have two different shades of marker when you're drawing, so you can kind of know. I mean, I can kind of see where to go, but it would have been cool if maybe I had red so I can know where my actual lines is for my colors to separate, and then my lines for the butterfly veins. I guess that's what they're called. All right, so these are the colors that I came up with. I got these two blues here, and then we got this purple and this pink right here. I think that's gonna be the closest I'm gonna get to that. As you can see, this right here got all these little blotches in it, but we can't do all that. Everything got to be solid. So yeah, so I'm gonna go get my black. I'm gonna outline it with black. Look like it's some, go around here, maybe get some gray around here, so, or white, so you can see that that's the middle part there. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what we about to do. Sum it up like that. So let's get this white and this black going, get that trim going around there, all that black, and then we can get that color in so we can kind of figure out how to get this shading going. Alright, now that I got all the black in, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it around so we'll get a time lapse going of me doing the colors. So I'm gonna start throwing those colors in there, and we're gonna see everything start coming together, man. So we're gonna turn this thing around, and we're gonna get to going so we can get this thing all done. Cause oh, I forgot about this, the body part. Actually, let me do the body part right quick. I need to put some white right there on the body. What I want to do, I want to get something close to black so we can kind of see it. So I got my darkest brown, gray that I had, and then we're just gonna put a line there and a line there so we can kind of know where that body is at on that butterfly. So let's get that going real quick. For those who do 2 yarns, I don't need that much, so I just broke it off, and then all I'm gonna do is just use both ends to tuck this body part, so I don't have to do anything with all that yarn that's on there. Let me get that on in there. Alright, gotta get that through there. And get that in there. Alright, let's get that little body part going. Alright, so we just want to get a little, like I said, a little body part in there. So you can kind of know where that is at. Then we'll get some black in there. Yeah, I gotta get all black in there, so let me put some black in there real quick. And for those of you that are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe to it. Go back to some of the things that you maybe need to know about tufting. Got some videos on that. So let me let you see my yarn real quick. So I don't use any of the hooks or the yarn feeders and all that stuff. All I do is just put a yarn on that side and then on the other side of me, so they can all just come together as one. And then what I do to start it, I take that yarn and I take it right out of the middle. I find the middle, pull it out the middle, and let it feed out the middle. So let's get this black inside here, and then we are going to get the color on the other side. Let's see. Alright, got the black there. All I'm going to do is put that black in there. Like I said, it was white in the middle. I'll leave that. Put some room for some white. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta come back to put my white in there, but we'll do that when we turn this thing around and let's get the color going. Alright, so that's the best shading you're gonna get when you're doing yarn to yarn, when you're doing shading. I think it came out pretty decent, especially when it's like colors that's close like this, so it kind of look like a, you know, kind of look like a shade. But yeah, that's it, man. Now I gotta get the backing on, get some glue on the back end. Make sure you check at the bottom for all the materials and stuff I use. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. Hopefully you learned something from this. Hopefully you continue to tough. Hey, see y'all on the next rub, man. Peace.